Dr. Tanginika, and I am a clinical sexologist, sexual health educator, and sex therapist. And my practice is sexual health. So I do help men, women, and couples rekindle their sexuality and work on those sexual issues that sometimes kind of lead to the death of the bed in the marriage. I mean, it is very hard to tell how many marriages are ending because of it, but just let me give you some statistics. Almost half of all marriages, unfortunately, will end in divorce. So the statistics right now show a high 40 percentage, high in the 40s. So that's almost half of the marriages today will end in divorce. And we're also seeing that almost half of marriages are sexless. Women are very complex creatures. I mean, hormonally, we're more complex than men. So hormones may be also playing a role. And then after babies, maybe body image issues, a lot of demands on our mental and emotional and physical resources because the kids depend on us a lot. Us doing a lot of the work, many of us wearing many hats and working outside of the home, coming home to take care of the home, take care of the child or children, take care of the husband. So that's a lot of demands on our resources. So that can be a contributor as well. First and foremost, sex starts with me, starts with us, starts within ourselves. Again, sex is not something that I am going to get out of a box from inside of me and I'm going to give somebody else. It is my experience, it is my body, it is my enjoyment, it should be. So it should be good for me. So the better I feel with myself, obviously, the more I would like to partake into that activity. So absolutely, the more women can do to take care of themselves, the more women can do to awaken their sexuality, their sensuality, their eroticism, the better that is. The better we feel about ourselves, obviously the better we will feel about taking our clothes off in front of a partner. If we accept ourselves, if we're happy with ourselves, if we're happy in our own skin, that will prompt us to become a little bit more playful and want those activities that are going to not only make that or contribute to the enjoyment of that partner, but make us feel good in the process. The name of our practice is Sexual Health, so you can just go to texassexualhealth.com and learn more about what we do. I also have another page, The Sex Doctor, and there's also some information about things that can help you become a little bit more sexual and spice things up, as we were talking about before. There's information about how to contact me, social media, and everything else. So going to my websites is probably the best alternative to get in contact with me. If you are in trouble in that department, please attend the workshop.
Yes.
Get started doing something good for yourself. And if that is not doing it completely for you, please seek help, either from me or somebody else, but please do something to save your relationship. It's an investment very, very well made. I always tell people, if you do not want to invest in your relationship, you will have to invest in the lawyers, $500 an hour. Wow. Divorce is very expensive. Put that money into your relationship and into yourself. That's money better spent.
Wow.